Okay, good afternoon to everybody.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Okay, have you solved yesterday's problem? I had given one homework, two homework.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, anyone who has solved?
Yes, sir. Yes, follow.
1 minute. What is your roll number?
61.
61. Roll number 61. Roll number Karan. Karan hai na? Karan Lingade.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer? This problem I had given, correct? So this problem I had given.
Yes, sir. बताओ क्या सर?
Wait a minute. Okay. So moment about A you have found out, correct? 52.9009.
Yes, sir.
Next, have you found out the sigma fx? What is the value of sigma fx? 128.98. Sorry, sigma fx is 128.8.
Sir, हाँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. आइए.
Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Sigma fy is 6.84.
6.84.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Next, our resultant is 128.98 Newton.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then I have not determined the magnitude value. Okay, that is the direction. Alpha you have to find out. What is the value of alpha?
3.04.
Is it correct? Others? 3.04. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, in which quadrant it will come? First, second, third, fourth. Which quadrant it will come?
First, sir.
First quadrant. Sigma fx is positive.
हाँ, sir.
Sigma fy is positive. Both are positive means it is first quadrant.
Yes.
First quadrant.
Nice. Then you know moment about A is 52.09. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then distance is summation of MA divided by R, resultant force. So you got 0.4 meter.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yes. Then intercept. X-intercept. X-intercept is equal to summation of MA divided by summation of FY.
Summation of the point.
So you got 7.61 meter.
Yes, sir. I got.
Okay. Then Y is equal to summation of MA upon sigma fx. So that is equal to 0.430.
Yes, sir.
403 meter. Okay. Correct, no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes. This problem we have solved. Okay. The solution of this problem is this one. Okay. So whenever a problem is given, okay, in the first chapter, that is you have to determine what resultant
Sir, और एक रहेगा या? और एक दिया था ना इधर.
Yes, I will check it. Resultant force you have to find out, and also what you have to find out? Magnitude, direction of the resultant force, and also you have to find out the position. Position means you have to find out moment about the given point, and also x, y, and d you have to find out. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This problem.
सर ये होमवर्क को दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन का आंसर है क्या? आप भी सॉल्व किया वो?
हाँ वही आंसर है ना.
हाँ सर रॉन्ग आया मेरा.
ऐसा क्या? देखो, I will upload this PPT. You can cross verify. Okay. So I have solved the same problem. Okay, ये problem solve कर दिया. अब check करो. Okay. I will update this PPT. So this problem we have solved in the last class, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So answers are correct. This problem also we have solved.
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir. जाना sir वो.
So this problem I had given homework. Which one? Wait, I will take homework. दिया था ना एक problem. एक minute. I will take that problem. Okay. How many of you have solved that problem? Beam ka problem.
Yes, sir. क्या है सॉल्व?
किया ना? I will take that beam. So this is our beam. So first is 20 kilonewton force. This is 20 kilonewton force, and one more is 30 kilonewton force. 30 kilonewton force, and one more is 20 kilonewton force. 20 kilonewton force. Okay. So next, what is the first value? 1.5 meter, correct? The distance is 1.5 meter.
Yes, sir.
So this is the point A. The
A.
distance from here to here it is given. Okay. So here the first distance up to this much it is 1.5 meter. And again this is 1.5 meter. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
This is 3.0 meter.
3 meter. Or 2.
This is 3 meter and this is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. Okay, from this point to this point. So first force is how much it is?
20
Newton.
Kilonewton. Okay.
30.
30 kilonewton.
30.
And
Or
this is
20.
20 kilonewton.
20 kilonewton.
This is making an angle
60.
60
60
degrees.
degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. How many of you have solved? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. How many of you have solved? There is an option in your chat box. Okay. So when you go to the chat box, there is an option. Raise your hand. So I will come to know. How many of you have raised your hand? Okay, only few. What is the value of sigma fx? Okay, so what is asked?
Minus 20.
Okay, I will check. I will solve this problem. Okay, so what is the first step? First step is what? Resolving all the forces along horizontal direction.
Horizontal.
Okay, resolving all the forces along horizontal. Okay, so that is sigma fx. So sigma fx. So first force 20 kilonewton. It is purely vertical. Is it producing any horizontal component?
No, sir.
No, because angle is 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. Correct. Then second
Yes, sir.
force, it is also exactly vertical. It is also not producing. Then coming to the third force, it is an angle of 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Then its x component is in this side. Okay, this is the direction, and y component is downward direction. Correct.
Downward direction.
So this sigma fx, that is f cos theta. Is it moving right hand side or left hand side?
Left hand.
Left hand side.
Left
Plus or
hand.
minus? Minus. What is the value? 20 cos theta is 60.
60.
So is there any
Minus
force?
10.
No. So you will get
No.
minus 20.
Minus
Cos
10.
60 is equal to 1 by 2. So you will get minus 10. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It minus means what? It is moving in which direction? That is
Left
left hand
hand.
side
Left
direction.
hand side.
Then second one is tell me, resolving
Sigma F. All the forces along
Forces
all the
along
forces along the vertical direction.
all the forces along
Vertical.
direction.
Vertical direction.
Vertical. Okay. So sigma fy. See, first force, it is moving in downward direction. How much is the force? Minus
Minus 20.
20.
minus 20. So this is
Minus
30.
30.
So minus 30 downward. Next, its vertical component, that is minus
Minus 20 sin 60.
20 sin 60. Good. So what is the answer? Is
Minus 67.32.
minus 67.32. Okay.
32.
This is minus means what? It is moving in downward direction.
Downward direction.
All of you, is it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, third step is what? You have to find out resultant. Resultant. Okay. So resultant is equal to. Tell me, what is R? R is equal to
R is equal to square root
summation
of
sigma fx
fx
Plus
square
sigma fy
plus
square.
y power square.
fy
Square.
Square.
Okay. So this
Whole
is root. So what is the value of sigma fx? You have to substitute. That is 10. Okay, 10 square plus. So sigma Fy is 67.32
67.32.
square. Okay, whole square it is. So what is the answer you are getting? R is equal to
68.05.
68.05. Yes, correct. 68.05 Newton.
Newton.
Okay, so this is answer. This is the value for your resultant force. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Resultant force?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the answer next? What is next?
Alpha.
So what it is called as?
Direction.
So fourth one is direction. Direction. So what is the value of alpha? Direction is given by alpha is equal to
Alpha.
Sigma
Tan inverse.
tan inverse of sigma
Sigma Fy upon Fy
fx. Sigma fx.
fx.
Okay. So I will write here only. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of what is sigma Fy? Sigma Fy is 67.32. Divided by sigma fx is 10.
10.
We will get value of alpha. What is the value of alpha?
81.55.
Yes, 81.55 degrees. Okay, so this is the value of alpha. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the alpha. Next step is what?
Moment about point A.
Yes, moment about a point A. So I will take moment. This is the point A. Okay, point A. So this first force, 20 kilonewton force. So it is producing clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation?
Clockwise.
First step is 5 moment about A.
Point A.
So summation of moment about A is equal to so this is anti-clockwise 20 into what is the moment? Moment is equal to force into distance. Correct. So force is 20 kilonewton. Distance is 1.5. 1.5. Yes. Roll number 8. Roll number 8. Tell me next value. Next force is how much? Next moment is that is how much is the force? Roll number 8. What is moment? Tell me moment. Yes. Whenever I call, you have to tell me. Roll number 8 is absent. Roll number 4. Komal, can you tell me the value of next moment? Yes. Roll number 8 is there. Aishwarya.
Hello, sir.
Tell me the value of moment. Next moment value. Next moment value kitna? Why? Okay. Roll number 61. Karan, can you tell me the value of next moment?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
30, plus 30 into 1.3.
See, I have written here minus. Is it correct or wrong?
Sir,
No, sir.
No,
wrong,
sir.
sir.
Then you should tell me, no? It is clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. It is rotated clockwise. So it is plus.
positive.
Next is also positive. Okay, this is 30. 30 into?
Plus 30.
30 into?
3.
1.5.
No, 1.5. It is 3.
3.
From which point you are calculating? From the point A. About A point.
3.
So the distance between the line of action of the force from the given point. Point is A. A to F2 force is, that is how much? 3. Okay, you have to be very careful. Next, third force.
Yes, sir.
In this third, it is inclined force, correct? So you have to resolve into, that is a horizontal force, that is 20. How much is horizontal? 20 cos 60 degree, and vertical is 20 sin 60. 20 sin 60. Okay.
60.
This vertical is passing through this point, correct? Vertical is passing through this point. Next, how much it is? It is producing clockwise. Okay, plus clockwise 20 sin 60 into what is the distance between the third force and A? 6. It is 6. Okay, it is 6. Then its x component. X component is how much? 20 cos 60. This x component, is it producing any moment?
No, sir.
No.
Why no?
About point A.
Yes, it will pass through the point A. There is no perpendicular distance. Okay, that's why it will not produce any moment. I will write for your understanding purpose. 20 cos 60. There is a force, but the perpendicular distance is 0. That's why it is not producing any moment. Can you tell me total final moment about A? How much?
200.
2 to 3. 2 to 3 point. 92. What is the unit? Unit is how much? Force is in kilonewton. And distance is in meter. Okay, it is positive.
Meter.
Positive means what? It is in clockwise direction. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt to anybody?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Next step is what? We have to find out
X intercept and Y intercept.
yes, position. So I will take position. Okay. So
Sir,
position.
D रहेगा ना?
हाँ? Yes. क्या बोले? बोलिए.
D.
So D is equal to summation of. Tell me moment about A point divided by resultant R. Moment about A is 223.92 divided by what is the resultant R? R is 68.05. 68.05. So now find the value of D. 3.29 meter. Next, X intercept. X intercept is equal to summation of moment about A divided by summation of Fx or Fy? Fy. Okay. So 223.92 divided by what is value of Fy? Fy कितना आया था? So this is Fy, correct?
Minus
67.32.
So that is 67.32. So you will get the answer. 3.32. 3.32 meter.
Sir, Y intercept लगा कितना?
Y intercept. Summation of moment about A divided by summation of Fx. So that is 223.92 divided by Fx is how much? That is 10. So how much you are getting? 22.3.
2.39.
Yes. Are you getting all of you these answers?
minus तो कितना है?
Yes, sir.
Minus. Will you write minus or not?
No.
No, just you. I want whether it is a direction. I don't want. Okay, direction is required only to find out in which quadrant it is. Here I want x distance is how much and y distance is how much. So this x. नहीं लिखे तो भी चलता है इसका. Okay, so just you have to find out d, x, y, and d. I want position. That's all. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, those who have not solved, take the screenshot of this photo. Okay, those who have not solved, you have to take the screenshot so that you have to write this one in your notebook. This was a homework problem, so that we will go for the next problem. Have you taken? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this one is over. So,
sir.
Tell me.
Sir, हर जगह मैग्नीट्यूड ही लेने का ना, डायरेक्शन नहीं ना?
Yes.
कैलकुलेशन में
मैग्नीट्यूड. मैग्नीट्यूड ओनली. x y and d डिस्टेंस में मैग्नीट्यूड लेने का.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one we have done. Tell me.
उसने हर जगह कहा आपले रेजोल्यूशन कोर्स करते वक्त डायरेक्शन लेना जरूरी है ना?
Yes, when you are doing the resolution, okay, उसी time direction is very important. But when you are finding the intercept, I want just value, x value कितना है, y value कितना है, d value कितना है. उधर क्या लिखने का? Just you have to substitute the value of magnitude. Okay. ये problem solve किया था ना? Who solve this problem? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
ये problem solve किया था ना? Yesterday we have solved this problem. First problem was solved. Okay, this problem we have not solved. See how to find out this problem. What is given in the problem? You have to see first the end B of a.
Sir, screen visible. Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
White screen visible था क्या नहीं?
No, sir.
White screen भी visible नहीं?
की स्क्रीन ही दिख रही थी.
Then you should tell me, no? I have solved this problem. अभी is it visible?
सर होमवर्क का प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है सर.
Okay, okay. Is it
हाँ.
visible or not? White screen.
Yes.
व्हाइट बोर्ड है सर, व्हाइट बोर्ड.
व्हाइट बोर्ड में जो
White
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व
board.
किया, बीम का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया मैंने. Is it visible?
हो. Yes सर, वो विजिबल है.
इतने देर तक विजिबल नहीं था क्या ये प्रॉब्लम? ये
था सर, था.
Visible था sir.
हाँ.
विजिबल
Okay.
था सर.
Take down this screenshot. Those who are not solved, take down this screenshot. Now I will open the PPT. Is it visible, PPT?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. So what is
Yes,
given in the
sir.
problem? The end B of a weightless bar of AB is made to act upon the by forces as shown in the figure. There is a beam. AB is a beam है. Beam is weightless. There is no weight. Okay, it is weightless beam. Determine the resultant of forces. Either there are system of forces which are acting at a point B. B के ऊपर there are number of forces है. Okay, you have to determine the resultant of this one. Okay, resultant of this one. Also determine the moment about the point A. Moment about the point A. So first, what you have to find out? See, this is F1 force. Okay, F1 force is purely horizontal. Is it making any angle with respect to horizontal?
No sir.
नो सर,
It is
No,
zero. Then
Zero sir.
this is 200 is given. That is making an angle 30 degree with respect to vertical. Correct. You have to calculate with respect to horizontal कितना?
60 degree.
60 degree.
60.
So this is 60 degree आएगा. Next, there is a force 300 Newton that is making an angle 45 degree with respect to horizontal. No problem. Then this is the problem here. This is 280 Newton is there. Okay. So how to find out this one? So for that reason, I will take.
10.
Wait. So yeah, I will take this is just a one number, that is a angle. Okay. So just I will take it is this is equal to theta. Is it visible everyone? Theta. So if this is theta, this angle is equal to theta. This angle is also equal to theta. Correct. So the slope is given. The slope is that is 4/3. So you have to find out this theta. Theta is equal to how to find out that theta? Tan inverse of y by x. Y is how much? Y is how much? 4.
4/3.
4/3. Calculate theta.
53.1.
53.1. Okay. So this is the value of theta. So here you got theta. Okay. Here you can calculate how much it is. It is equal to 90 minus 30. It is 60 degree. Okay. Then this is purely vertical. There is no problem. Okay. Can you calculate this problem? First, what you have to find out? Sigma fx you have to find out. Next, you have to find out sigma fy you have to find out. Okay. So first, you have to find out sigma fx. Second, you have to find out sigma fy. The third, you have to find out. Tell me. Resultant force. Then fourth, you have to find out direction. Alpha you have to find out. Okay. Whenever he is asking the resultant, means you have to find out magnitude and direction both. Next, fifth, you have to find out moment about A point. Moment about A point is how much. Will you solve this problem? There are answers also. Okay. Answer is given here. Okay. All you have to calculate.
That intercept.
Intercept nahi chahiye, because what is asked in the problem? Also determine moment of resultant force about a point A. That's all. He is not asking position. Correct. If he is asking position,
Yes,
you
sir.
calculate position also.
No. Yes
Okay.
sir.
Now calculate resultant, direction, and moment about A. Will you solve this problem?
यस सर.
Yes. This
Yes,
is homework.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next. So next is this is one problem. Okay. This one I will take this one. How to solve this one? So all of you take down this problem. All of you take down. Find the resultant. Find the resultant of forces acting on a lamina as shown in figure. As shown in figure. So I will take it is F1 force, and this is making an angle θ1 with respect to horizontal, and I will take this is F2 force, and it is making an angle θ2 with respect to horizontal, and I will take this is θ3. This force is F3. So what is asked? find the resultant of forces. Only resultant you have to find out. Correct. You are not supposed to find out moment. Resultant find out करने का. Of each देखो what is given. Each square has a 10 mm side. See whatever here he has given sides. Thus each side is how much 10 mm. So horizontal कितना है 1 2 3 4 5. Vertical is also 5. Okay. This horizontal is x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis is given. All of you take down this one. Okay, we will solve this problem here only. Is it visible whatever I am writing on the board? PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First write down, draw the diagram correctly. Yes. Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what he has given, there is one grid block. Okay, there is a grid block is given. So he has given 3 forces. I will take first force as F1 force. I will take first force as F1 force. Okay. Then that is 2 kilonewton. This 2 kilonewton is making an angle that is, it is passing from this point to this point, correct? I have to find out this value. How much is the inclination? He has not given the inclination. Just he has given the grid size. What is the grid size? He has given that is 10 mm by 10 mm he has given. So this is the angle theta1. The force F1 is making an angle theta1 with respect to horizontal. Okay. So how to find out this theta1? Tan inverse of y by x. So tan inverse of what is the y for this triangle? A small triangle है ना? What is this y? Horizontal कितना है? 10 है. Vertical कितना है? 10 है. So that is
45 degree. Theta 1 is equal to 45 degree.
10 by 10. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 is that is 45 degree. Okay, this is theta 1. Then there is a second force. Second force कितना है? That is 5 kilonewton force. That is making an angle theta 2 with respect to horizontal. Okay, with respect to horizontal. I have to find out this theta 2. So here theta 2 is how much? You don't go only the here. Okay, you have to calculate up to last point. You have to take this last point. Okay, where it is passing out from the frame. If frame छोड़ के बाहर जा रहे हैं ना, उधर तक consider करने का. So for this one, what is the y value? This entire is y. Is it correct? This entire is y. This entire is how much? This is value of x. So कितना block है? 1, 2, 3, 4. So y is tell me y is 40 divided by x कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is
40.
also 40. So it is also answer is 45 degree. Is it clear everyone? Then
Yes, sir.
coming to the third force, 15 kilonewton force making an angle theta 3 with respect to horizontal. You are not supposed to consider this is theta 3, ऐसे नहीं करने का, because where it is starting, the starting point is here. इधर से कितना कर रहे हैं with respect to horizontal, this is it is starting here and it is going out from this point, correct? So how much is theta 3? This is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. For this triangle, this is the vertical force, correct? Vertical distance, how much it is? Vertical is one block, that is 10 divided by. So this is horizontal, y by x. This is x. How much it is? One block. This is second block, that is 20. So what is the angle? Calculate.
26.56.
26.56. Yes. So this is 26.56 degrees. Is it clear, everyone? That is angle. How to find out?
Sir, theta समझ आया.
Sir, repeat kara.
Okay, I will do. So what was given in the problem? Just he has given forces. Okay, inclination nahi diya tha, but he has given in the problem. What is given? He has given the just theta value. That is each side कितना है? 10 mm. मतलब ये जो इधर ब्लॉक है ना, इसका कितना है? 10. Horizontal कितना है? 10. Vertical 10. This is 10. This is 10. Each grid is 10 by 10 mm. Okay, so this is F1 force. This F1 force is starting from this point and it is going like this. Okay, so this is one triangle. Consider it a theta 1. Theta 1 consider karo. So theta 1 is angle you have to find out. Tan inverse of y by x. So this is triangle, correct? Here triangle में कितना है y? Y is 10, only one block. Okay, this is one block and horizontally is how much? This is also one block. Okay, 10 by 10. 10 by 10. That is equal to 45, correct? First one, theta 1, is it clear? Theta 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next,
Yes,
coming
sir.
to the second force. Second force कितना है? 5 kilonewton force. Okay, F2 force. This is making an angle theta 2 with respect to horizontal. So इधर एक ही ब्लॉक नहीं कंसिडर नहीं करने का. So इधर से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. But end कहाँ तक है? End कहाँ तक दे? So this is the end. Okay, horizontal end. And vertical, how much it is? Vertical, how much it is? You have to check it. Okay. So how many blocks grids are there? How many grids? This is y and this is x. Y is how much? 4 grid. Means each grid is 10 mm. So it is 40. X में कितना grid है? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 40 by 40. So that you will get a 45 degree. Is it clear? Theta 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Consider, concentrate. All of you concentrate at the theta 3. Theta 3 is starting at this point and it is going out from the frame at this point. So this is the value of theta 3. Okay. Vertical कितना है? Horizontal कितना है? Vertical कितना grid से? कितना grid? Only one. One means only 10. Horizontal direction में कितना grid से? देखो. 2 means how much? 20. So tan inverse of 10 by 20. That is equal to 26.56. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next is very simple because all already you have determined resolving all the forces along horizontal direction. Now tell me, X force, the first force F1. F1 is making an angle theta 1 with respect to horizontal. Is it moving in the positive direction or negative direction? F1.
Positive.
Positive. Tell me. It is positive. F1 is how much? 2 kilonewton into cos theta. Theta कितना है? Theta 1 कितना है? 45 degree.
45.
Okay. Next, second force. This is second force. Second force is moving in each direction. Positive or negative?
Positive.
It is in positive direction. It is also positive. That is 5 kilonewton.
5 into cos
Cos 45.
45 degree. Cos 45 degree because that is also making theta 2 is also 45 degree. Then this is 15 kilonewton. That is in it is moving
Negative.
left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side. Left side means positive or negative?
Minus.
Minus, negative. Tell me the value.
Minus
15
Minus 15.
cos theta 3. Theta 3 कितना है?
26.56.
Yes. Okay. Now calculate the value of sigma fx. How much you will get?
Minus 8.46.
Minus 8.46. Correct. Good. Minus 8.46 kilonewton. Minus means how much? Whether it is the right side or left side?
left side.
Left side. Is it correct? All of you, is it correct?
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
coming to the resolving all the forces along vertical direction. Vertical F1 force, is it moving upward or downward?
Upward.
Upward,
Positive.
positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, so positive F1 is how much?
2 into
kilonewton.
sine 45.
Sine 45. Sine 45. Next, second F2 force, is it moving positive upward or downward?
Minus 5 into sine
minus 5 minus 5 sine
45.
45. Okay, next F3 force. F3 force is moving upward or downward?
Downward.
Downward. Minus 15. 15.
Into sine
26.56.
26.56.
So calculate sigma F1.
Minus 8.8.
Minus
8.8.
8 point. Okay. Minus.
Sir, वहाँ 15 sin 45 है.
Wait. Minus 8.828. Okay, 828. Okay, that is kilonewton. Minus means it is downward direction. Okay. Tell me, कहाँ पर? Resolving all the forces. Second step में?
नहीं सर, सही है,
सही है ना? Okay.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So now, next what you have to find out? You have to go for the resultant force. Resultant force कितना है? You have to calculate. How to calculate the resultant force? Resultant force is, that is nothing but how?
R is equal to
R is equal to sigma
in square root sigma fx square plus sigma fy
okay,
square.
so this is given. So you know the value of sigma fx and sigma fy. So calculate it. What is the value of sigma fx? कितना है? 8.46. 8.46 whole square plus sigma fy कितना है? 8.828 kilonewton whole square. So that you will get the value of R. So R is equal to how much you are getting? 12.23? 12.23.
12.23.
Yes, kilonewton.
23.
Okay, this is the value of R. Then fourth step is direction. So how to find out the direction? Direction is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Okay, that is sigma fy divided by sigma fx. So sigma fy कितना है? Sigma fy कितना है? tan inverse लिखने का ना? So it is tan inverse of what is sigma fy? That is 8.828.
46.9. Tan inverse of 46.8.
8.46. Okay, you will get to 46.19. Okay, 1918. Okay, but you have to get 46 something. Is it correct answer? All of you?
Yes. 21 आएगा.
Okay, no problem. 46 point something. So this is how you have to find out the resultant and magnitude and direction of the resultant force. Everyone, is there any doubt? Tell me now only. किसी को doubt है क्या?
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay, read on. Have you taken? लिखा है क्या?
नहीं सर, लिख रहा हूँ.
Okay, complete it first.
Complete sir.
Everyone. Number 3 absent. 4, 5, 6 absent. 16 absent. 22. 31. 35. 43. 53. 59. So absent number 3, 6, 16, 22, 31, 35, 43, 53, 59. Okay, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we go for the next problem? Okay, this is one more problem you have to solve. Will you solve? ये problem solve करते हैं? Okay, what is given in the problem? We'll check it. Okay, what is asked? What is asked? Check it. So forces acting along the sides and at the corners A and B of an equilateral triangle of 5 meter side. Equilateral triangle मतलब क्या है? So this is 5 meter. Okay, all the sides are same. All the sides are same. Okay, all are 5 meter. Okay, next, a clockwise moment of 150 kilonewton, 150 Newton meter acts about a point C. So there is a point C. On that point, this 150 Newton meter is acting. Okay, that is clockwise moment is given. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant force system. Okay, this entire force system ka magnitude and direction you have to find out. Then also locate the position of the resultant force with respect to A. So this is the point A. Okay, with respect to this point, you have to find out, locate the position of the resultant force. Tell me what all you have to find out first. Tell me, I will write here. What all you have to find out?
Magnitude.
First is magnitude and direction of the magnitude and direction of. So first you have to find out the resultant force. Next you have to find out the it's alpha direction. Next you have to find out. Third you have to find out. Tell me. Moment about A point. Okay. Next fourth you have to find out location. That is X, Y. All you have to find out. Okay. All you have to find out. So here.
So sigma X, sigma Y नहीं निकालने का?
Without sigma X, sigma Y, how will you find out the resultant? Okay, I have not written. It is understood, no? Whenever you are finding the resultant, means you have to find out the value of sigma X and sigma Y. Correct?
Yes, sir. आपने वो mention नहीं किया इसलिए मैंने.
Okay, okay, good. You are alert in the class. Okay. First you have to find out. I will take this is force 1. Okay, this force I will take it is F1 force. Okay, I will take this force is F2 force. F2 force is how much? It is 70 Newton. And I will take this is F3 force. Is it visible, everyone? Whatever I am writing F1, F2, F3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is F3 force is 45 Newton. And I will take this vertical downward. Okay, this is F4 force. F4. And this is inclined is F4, F5. I will take it as F5. And here it is F6 force. So this is moment it is given. Okay, moment about C is given. Okay, you don't worry about this one. So here he is asking what is the value of moment about A only. So first you have to consider sigma fx. So how to find out the sigma fx? Directly I will write sigma fx only. Okay, sigma fx. So first this is making an angle how much? Sigma F1 force is making an angle 0. F2 force is passing through C point. This is how much? How much it is? 60 degree. Correct. It is equilateral triangle. Okay, it is 60 degree. All the sides are 60 degree rather. Okay, all the angles. Correct. Next, this okay. F2 force ho gaya. F3 force. This F3 force is making an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Okay. Next, F4 force is purely vertical. Now your task is you have to find out the value of this is F5 force, and also you have to find out for F6 force. This is F6. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Full
sir.
screen? Full screen?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Visible, sir.
Okay, okay. Is it correct? Same problem hai na?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So what was I was telling? So with respect to F5 force, this is the theta value. So this theta you have to find out, correct?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Okay. So this theta you have to find out. So how to find out this theta value? You have to find out this is theta. So again here it is also making an angle theta with respect to horizontal. See, so total is how much? Here to here is how much? You have to find out. Total. When you extend like this, when you extend this line like this, how much it is total? एक straight line कितना रहता?
180.
180 रहता ना? Correct.
Yes, sir.
180. So ये 180 में this is 90. This is how much? This is how much? 60 degree. Correct. This is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. So how much it is vertical? How much it is vertical? I will take this vertical. Okay, here I say लिख रहे. That it is equal to total is 180. Total is 180 minus this is 60. Minus this
Plus
is how
90.
much? It is 90 hai na? So this is 90.
Yes,
So total it is how much? Total it is how much? This is vertically. This is 30 degree. 30 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if this is 30 degree, okay, if this is 30 degree, with respect to horizontal कितना हो रहा है ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं उन्होंने. See, from this point it is how much? It is 90 degree. Or else you can also call this is. So this is horizontal. This is horizontal. This is also horizontal. Correct. So initially it is also making 90 degree. Here it is also making 90 degree. Means whatever angle you are finding, this theta is equal to this theta. Both are same. Then theta is equal to how to find out theta value? See, this total is how much? Total is how much?
180.
No, एक straight line 180 रहता है. Okay, 180 degree. 180 minus 60 करो. So minus 60. Again minus this is 90 degree. Minus 90 degree. So how much you will get? How much you will get? This is 30 degree. So the both angles, this is making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. This is also making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You wrote plus there.
I will erase this one so that there will not be confusion. Okay, just I will take theta. Okay, so theta means what? This theta and this theta is both are same. Okay, both are same. That's why I found out the value of theta. Once if you find the value of theta, then you can go for the sigma fx. So how to find out sigma fx? Sigma fx is equal to first F1 force. F1 force is moving right hand side. That is purely horizontal. That is 60 Newton plus F2 force. F2 force, see, like this it is. From this force, it is going in this direction. Okay, so calculate. This is F2 force, this is downward force, this is right hand side. So what is the value of F2 force? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. 70. Cos, what is the value? Cos 60 degree. Okay, 60. F2 force is making an angle. Theta 2 is how much? 60 degree, correct? That's why it is cos 60. Then F3 force is making an angle 60 degree, correct? So this is moving in which direction? Positive direction. Upward is positive. Okay, so plus, I will write here plus it is 45 is Newton F3 force making an angle 60 degree. That is cos 60 degree. Clear, everyone? Then
Yes,
F4
sir.
force. This F4 force is purely vertical. Is it producing any horizontal component?
No, sir.
No. Okay,
No,
I will
sir.
not write this one. Then F5 force. This F5 force is moving in which direction? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative direction.
Negative.
That's why it is negative x. Okay, it is negative.
सर आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो क्या पूरा?
Just आपको मैंने ये hint दे रहे. Okay, I will give just hint. So minus 200. What is the value? Cos theta. Theta is how much? Here 30 degree. Okay, theta is 30 degree. Then coming to this point, 200 F6 force. This 200 force is in which direction it is moving? It is moving right hand side direction. So that is positive. What is the value? 200. 200 cos theta, that is 30 degree. So finally when you solve this one, how much you will get? Do you have answer? Calculate karte
117.5.
117.5. Just I will check. Yes, correct. 117.5, correct. So this sigma fx is equal to 117.5. Okay, and that is sigma fx ho gaya. Okay, similarly sigma fy. So sigma fy, so see sigma fy, there will be confusion sabhi ko, iske liye main solve kar raha hu. Sigma fy, consider f1 force, is it producing any force in the vertical direction? Vertical में कितना force रहता है? No, so it will not produce. F2 force is downward, moving downward direction. Is yes, what is the value?
Negative.
Negative. Okay, minus. Tell me. Minus 70 sin 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Then F3 force. This F3 force is moving upward direction. So what is the value? 45. So that is positive. 45 sin. What is the angle? 60 degree. 60 degree. Then F4 force. F4 force is moving downward direction. It is negative. It is exactly vertical. That's why I will take minus 100 as it is. Then F5 force. It is making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. So it's a vertical upward direction. That is positive. Tell me. 200 sin 30 degree. Okay. Next F5 होने के बाद F6. F6 is in the towards the point, that is downward, acting downward. That is minus or plus? Minus 200 sin 30. So when you solve this one, what is the answer you are getting? Minus 121.65.
Minus 21.6.
121.65 Newton. Okay, is it clear everyone? Then calculate R, resultant. Resultant is equal to sigma fx square plus sigma fy square. Okay, so you calculate this one. Okay, R value you have to calculate. You will get same answer, that is 169.13 Newton you will get. Then calculate alpha value. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of sigma fy upon sigma fx. Okay, you calculate, you will get 43.79, or you will get different 45.9. Calculate how much you will get everyone. So tan inverse of, that is sigma fy is how much? Sigma fy is 121.65, and sigma fx is how much? Sigma fx is 117.5. 117.5. So how much you are getting? Alpha?
45.9.
45.9. Yes, you are getting 45.9. 45.9. 45.99. Okay, correct. So here something it is mistake. Okay, just you will get 45.9. Is it clear everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so next होने के बाद क्या करने का? This is important now. So what you have to find out? See. So next you have to find out the value of what is asked in the problem? Moment. Okay, moment also is asking the moment dx. So how to find out the moment? See, I'll write here. Everything is gone. Okay, मैंने जो सवाल लिखा था वो सभी का है वो. Okay, no problem. I will tell how to find out.
स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर करूं क्या आपको?
स्क्रीनशॉट किया लिया हमने.
Okay, no problem. आपने लिया ना स्क्रीनशॉट? Okay, अच्छा हुआ. So now I will take this one. Okay.
नहीं लिया.
Okay, you can solve no. I told everything. Sigma fx find out करने के बोल दिया. Then I told sigma fy. Then I told resultant and alpha.
रिकॉर्डिंग में आ जाएगा सर शाम को.
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग में मिलेगा. Okay, okay, good. Then I will find out a moment about A. Okay, moment about A is asked. So moment about A. So for moment about A. Okay, all of you concentrate. So how to find out the moment about A? So that is summation about A. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, moment about A. So starting from F1 force. This F1 force is passing through the A or it is not passing?
passing.
Is it producing any moment?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
नहीं,
it will
sir.
not produce any moment. Okay.
sir.
So F1 is 0 हो गया. F1 का क्या हो गया? F1 is 0.
0.
Next, coming to the F2 force. This F2 force is here. Correct. So F2 force is passing like this. It is making an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Correct. Its का x component and y component कैसा रहता? This is y component. F2 cos theta 2, and its x component is this is x.
प्लस
Okay.
में जाएगा.
So that is F2 sin, sorry, F2 sin change. Vertical component क्या है? F2 sin theta 2, and horizontal component is F2 cos theta 2. This F2 cos theta 2, is it producing any moment?
No.
No,
Because
sir.
line of action is passing through the A point.
Given
Then
point.
F2 sin theta, is it producing moment?
Yes, sir.
Is it vertical, anti-clockwise or clockwise?
Clockwise.
So I will take F2 sin theta 2. F2 is how much? That is 70. 70 sin theta 2 is how much? Theta 2 is, wait a minute. Okay, fine. So what is the value of F2 sin? Tell me, sin theta 2 is how much? Theta 2 is 60 degree. Okay, into vertical distance. So this is vertical distance. How much it is? A to B. How A to C is how much? It is 5 meter.
5 meter.
5 meter. Then this F2 cos theta is, it will not produce. Then coming to the F3. F3 force, is it producing any force moment? No, it is
No,
passing
sir.
through the point
No,
A point. It will not produce.
Given point.
F4 is also not producing. F5 is also not producing. Correct. Because it is also passing through the point, given point. Coming to the point, this is F6 force. This F6 force will passing through the point. Okay. So how much it is? How much it is producing? That is, you don't consider Fx or Fy because it is already perpendicular distance. A से B तक already perpendicular distance है ना. So you can directly go to plus 200 into what is the perpendicular force distance? That is 500. Okay, this is F6 पे हो गया. Then coming to the, let us see, there is a moment about C is 150 Newton is given. So this 150 Newton you have to take directly. You are not supposed to multiply any distance because this is a moment. This is already calculated by the distance already. Okay, is it clockwise moment or anti-clockwise moment?
Clockwise.
Clockwise means you have to consider positive. If it is given anti-clockwise, then you have to consider negative. Okay, how much it is given? That is 150 Newton. So calculate what is the value of moment about A you will get. So you will get some value.
1453.10.
Yes.
1453.53. No, not sir.
सर वो
145.5.
thousands में आएगा सर.
1453.
Okay.
1000 में आएगा सर.
Okay.
3.1.
Okay. I will continue with the next class. Okay. So after moment about A, just calculate the value of x-intercept, y-intercept, and also D. You have sigma fx, you have sigma fy.
Yes, sir.
So moment about A you got, calculate x and y-intercept. Okay. So now we will stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.